My name is Mike Vickers. I own Insulation in Panama City, and I want to recap on the job we just finished up on the west end of Back Beach called Beach Auto Care. So let's recap the process. We started off pressure washing the 8,500 square foot building on the exterior part to get it clean so we can put down spray foam. So we put down a 2.8 pound closed cell foam, an average of 1.5 inches thick, over the roof line. What this does, it air seals it, it'll waterproof it, and it'll recondition the roof. It'll give us a radiant barrier and an air barrier. Then after that, we went back with a white elastic material called elastomeric that covers the roof line that will protect the foam from radiant heat. The benefits of this project, that it will have a radiant barrier, an air barrier, it'll be waterproof, and it'll add structural integrity to the building. It should bring down the temperature inside the building 20 to 30 degrees. Hey y'all, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully it was very informative to you. If we can help you guys out, please give me a call at 850-713-5744. Go to my website, insulationpanamacity.com. Look at all the work we've already done in Panama City, or directly email me at mike@insulationpanamacity.com. Thanks for watching.